How to sign in to Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to sign in to your Telegram account. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Telegram app on your device. Now you will land on the welcome screen of Telegram. Tap Start Messaging button. Here, tap the Continue button to allow Telegram to receive calls. Now enter the country's name. Tap on the search icon at top right corner and choose your country. Now enter the phone number, and with the help of arrow you need to proceed towards the other steps. Now you have to check your email address where the code has been sent. So let's exit from this app and open the Gmail application on your device. Copy the code and simply paste here. Now tap Allow button to send you the notifications from Telegram. Now you have easily access to your chat section of Telegram. That means we have successfully signed into our Telegram account. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.